Good afternoon.
You can imagine the bricks were even in the chamber they wanted to. You see, take them. You want to shoot the minister is here. You want to shoot the commander himself. Where did you train from? Where did you train from? You want to shoot? We are here. We will get one person. Let's go. We go. We go. Come. You get orders from where? No, I was not allowed to shoot. Now, they want to shoot a minister. You are the other side. Not to exit.
I think they called their boss and the boss told them shoot whoever comes there.
This is the impunity that some people exhibit.
Private security wants to shoot at us.
You can imagine the bricks were even in the chamber they wanted to.
The break was in the chamber.
They got an order.
It seems we shall seriously take it
No, we need to see who their boss is. Who is that to give orders to shoot us?
We are on duty. Run there quickly. They have shot us.
And then you have the guts and the audacity to. This is laughable, eh? No, let us who the directors are. Please call them. Bring them to book. Actually, they should be the ones under arrest.
Yeah, sure.
They should be the ones who should be arrested. You've taken all their guns?
Yeah, they have been disarmed.
Yeah.
But you're so smart. I had to snap you.
Youth vibe.
Hey, you know my followers love you so much. So
Did you hear what Muzei said? Muzei said this is youth vibing.
Hey,
Did you hear him last time?
Cut into your vibe. Mzee is a youth also these days.
He is the most senior youth.
He's so youthful.
Morning. I'm ready.